Systems, a partner and a friend.
Hi, Cody Marnick here with Pattison Liquid Systems. Today we're going to show you how to install the remote meter head on a Macnaught meter. So the first thing we're going to do is pop off the display head. There'll be 4 screws to take out of the display. After you get the screws out, on the back side of this you will see there is a green and a yellow connected to number 2 and number 1. Number 2 is yellow and number 1 is green. So we will just pop those guys out. Once you get the wires out, you will see on the back side of the case that there's 2 knockouts for the remote display wire to come through. So you will just pop one of these out and install the wire grommet there. Now on the other end of the switch you have the same yellow and green wires as well as a couple others that are not used, so we'll just tuck those back. You'll take the yellow and hook that up to 2 and the green to 1. After your wires are installed, it'll look something like that. Yellow to number 2, green to number 1, and you will just pop that back onto the cover. And then on the other end of the switch, just spins into the top of the Macnaught meter just like the head would.
Pattison Liquid Systems, expect the best.